Hey guys, welcome back for another must-have recipe in Nati's Vegan Kitchen. So this is our second week on a Crockpot vegan recipe craze. So welcome back if you've been following, and if you haven't, then welcome. So continuing, like I said, with some Crockpot recipes, I decided to play around with jackfruit this week, and I came up with Jackfruit Guisado, which in Puerto Rico, I don't know if you've heard of, like sometimes you make they make pork that's guisado or chicken guisado, different things. So honestly, you can take, for non-vegans, they take any kind of meat, which is the typical thing in Puerto Rico. But for me, of course, as a vegan, I wanted to come up with my own version, because when I was little, I used to love like pollo guisado, and so it's chicken. And now I'm obsessed with jackfruit. So if you've never tried jackfruit, it's delicious. It's basically like a better tofu. It has a pretty not rubbery, but that would be kind of weird, but like a chewy consistency. So that still sounds kind of weird. I don't know, just try it. I swear it tastes really good. And if you're trying to mix in other things besides soy-based foods like tofu, then jackfruit is a great option. And yeah, you can make pulled pork sandwiches out of jackfruit, so you can make a lot of barbecue themed things. A lot of people like to use them in tacos. With the Crockpot jackfruit that I just made, you can definitely eat it on its own, or you can take the jackfruit guisado and add some into some tacos. If you want to make like a really good bowl and have some jackfruit guisado in there. So there's just so much you can do. So, and the best part is it only took me, again, like 15 minutes to make this meal. The only thing that took some time is just taking the jackfruit, and you want to pull it and make it in like little shredded bits. It normally comes in little chunks, and it's really easy. You just pull it all up and it turns into it looks like pulled pork. And yeah, you add everything else in the Crockpot, and again, like I've said, the Crockpot is my best friend. It should be yours too. So I think you guys will really like this one. It kind of has a nice Puerto Rican touch to it. I definitely use some fresh garlic, which I'm obsessed with. I was definitely never a vampire in any other life. I don't think you need to know that, but I don't know. I was thinking about that as I was making the garlic. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe and have another full tasty meal prep for the week. And if you have any questions, or are there any other kinds of Crockpot recipes that you'd like me to explore, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Otherwise, enjoy! There you have it. It's this super tasty. I know you love it. I know you're obsessed. I probably will eat mine a couple days with some quinoa, maybe with a little rice. Again, just make all of that in a rice cooker. So I'm trying to do really simple meals because I've got a lot going on, like I said. So if you do, or if you're looking for other easy ways to eat the jackfruit guisado, it already has potatoes, so it's really a meal in itself. But if you want to add something else, do some veggies, some rice, some quinoa, make some tacos with it, whatever you want. Limitless possibilities. I always leave a link down to my printable recipes, so if you're kind of old school, or if you just want to have the printable list of all the ingredients, so when you go to the grocery store and you're ready to make your jackfruit guisado, then go ahead and follow the link. It'll be down below. Anything else, guys, just reach out. I'd love to hear from you guys. Okay, see you guys next time.